Rental versus homeowner moving habits in Adelaide. Rent, own, or wander. Moving in Adelaide tells a bigger story. Renters, especially younger adults, move far more often than homeowners. Lease terms, rising rents, and lifestyle changes keep them on the go. Homeowners, on the other hand, tend to stay put for years, anchored by mortgages, renovations, and stability. Adelaide's property patterns. About 30 to 35% of locals rent, with inner suburbs like Norwood and Prospect seeing higher turnover. Homeowners settle longer, usually only moving for major life changes. Why renters move more? Short leases, rising rents, shared living, and job changes lead to frequent moves. Many renters reshuffle each year. Why homeowners stay put? Moving is expensive and exhausting. Once bought, most owners prefer to renovate, not relocate. The role of removalists. Adelaide moving companies stay busiest during peak lease and sale periods. Booking early, especially in Jan-February, is essential. Conclusion. Whether you're a renter on the move or a homeowner ready for change, plan early, hire smart, and pack light. And maybe, finally, toss that sixth can opener. Need help moving? Book Pro Removalists Adelaide today.